Hi guys, hey, we are in North Salt Lake today at my newest listing in Foxboro North community. This community is so awesome. It has 2 pools and a clubhouse, and this home is just as awesome. I want you to come inside and take a look for yourself. Come on in, you guys. I want you to take a look at this awesome home. It is a little over 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. I absolutely love the gathering area of this main level. So you have your main gathering space. We also have a gathering space upstairs that has a huge sectional, lots of space for your family gathering activities in both levels. And then this dining area and kitchen area, look how much space is in here. You have adequate cabinetry and an awesome pantry as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom.
Welcome to the master suite. This bedroom fits a king-size bed plus large pieces of furniture, and you have this great master suite with a garden soaker tub, separate shower, and a huge walk-in closet. Welcome to the backyard. This backyard is so nice because the front of the home is west facing, so in the evening the backyard is super shady, so you don't have to sweat in the hot summer nights.
This backyard has also been professionally landscaped, which is awesome as well. All right, you guys, all the wonderful information about this home is in those comments. Check those out, and then
Reach out to us to schedule your private showing.
I'm Kristie with Keller Williams,
And I'm Alix with Keller Williams.
and we'll see you guys soon.
Bye.